The 2025 mg ZS EV enters the Indian electric vehicle market with a refreshed and more premium identity, positioning itself as a well-rounded and future-ready urban SUV that combines technology, sustainability, and everyday practicality. The updated model features a cleaner, more aerodynamic front fascia with a body-colored closed grille that enhances efficiency while housing a subtle charging port with improved accessibility. Sleeker full-LED headlamps with a new signature DRL pattern, a redesigned bumper with 4 air curtains, and blacked-out accents give the ZS EV a more modern and assertive look. On the sides, the profile remains compact yet confident, with sculpted panels, new diamond-cut 17-inch alloy wheels, and neatly integrated roof rails that maintain its SUV stance. At the rear, the design is more refined with sharper LED tail lamps, a fresh bumper layout, and a more minimalist tailgate bearing the bold EV badging. Step inside and the 2025 ZS EV feels significantly upgraded, featuring a more premium dashboard layout with soft-touch surfaces, contrast stitching, and sateen chrome detailing that brings a luxurious feel to the cabin. The centerpiece is a new 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system running the upgraded iSmart Tech Suite, offering wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in navigation, voice assistant, over-the-air updates, and integrated connectivity features that allow for remote AC control, vehicle diagnostics, and location tracking. The digital instrument cluster is now more intuitive and data-rich, displaying range, energy usage, drive modes, and ADAS alerts in crisp detail. Practicality hasn't been overlooked. Occupants benefit from ventilated front seats, a wireless charger, a panoramic skyroof, rear AC vents, USB-C charging ports, automatic climate control, and a high-end sound system that ensures a comfortable and connected ride. The 2025 model is powered by an improved 50.3 kWh high-density battery, delivering a certified range of up to 480 km, with real-world mileage of around 400 to 420 km depending on driving conditions. Its electric motor outputs 176 PS and 280 Nm of instant torque, resulting in a smooth, responsive, and silent drive that excels in city traffic and feels confident on highways. Acceleration is brisk, and with 3 driving modes, Eco, Normal, and Sport, alongside multiple levels of regenerative braking, the ZS EV gives the driver greater control over efficiency and performance. Ride quality is more refined thanks to updated suspension tuning that absorbs road imperfections better while maintaining stable high-speed dynamics. AMG has also taken a strong leap forward in safety, offering 6 airbags, ABS, EBD, Escape, Hill Start Assist, a 360-degree camera, and an impressive suite of ADAS features including lane keep assist, forward collision warning, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot detection. These upgrades make it one of the safest EVs in its category. Charging is made easy with DC fast charging capability that can juice up the battery from 0-80% in under an hour, and AMG continues to support customers with a free AC wallbox charger installation, mobile charging support, and access to its growing public fast charging network. With its premium design upgrades, advanced features, extended range, and a refined electric driving experience, the AMG ZS EV 2025 clearly stands out as a compelling package in India's electric SUV space, giving tough competition to rivals like the Tata Nexon EV Max, Hyundai Kona Electric, and the BYD Atto 3, and reinforcing AMG's position as one of the most progressive and customer-focused EV brands in the country.